Good afternoon, WRCC fans, and this one's a very special one. It's one of the last of a kind really, because it's a full build that we've done at West Riding. So this video is not only a bit of a walk around a car that's for sale as we do with the other cars, it's also sort of a bit of an expo of the restoration work that we do on Morris Minors here at West Riding. It is a 1968 Porcelain Green, and it is a Morris Minor colour, very similar to sort of the Heritage Land Rover green, sort of a 50s colour, very, very nice. The West Riding number plate's fallen off, so there you go. So the registration number is that. Two owner car or two owner truck, two previous keepers on the logbook, 1968. Body off restoration done here at West Riding. As I say, this is a bit of an expo of the work that we do here as well. So if you want your Morris Minor restoring by us, who are, I don't know, maybe one of the biggest or the most well-known Morris Minor restorers in the UK. We ship worldwide as well. We've just had one going off back to New York that we restored for Lenny over there. So give us a call. Obviously we do restoration work, builds to order, customisation, service work, yada yada yada. Everything that you can think of with regards to Morris Minors, that's what we do. So anyway, back to this one. It is a 1968 truck, full restoration, body off. The word for this video with regards to describing this is new. So new is the word to describe. So the body's been off. All the welding's been done, as you can see. The back body and the cab back, which is important in commercials and Morris Minor pickups, is absolutely perfect. New liner board, which is, in the scheme of things, nothing really. Nice paint job on it, as you can see. Brand spanking new. Brand spanking new 5.5J wheels, hubcaps and tyres. Brand spanking new interior, and yes, I know they are car seat covers, but they look better, so we've done them. We've lined the back out with insulation, and then sort of van load bay area liner as well. So it's insulated in the cab, obviously to make the driving experience better. That were our choice. New headlining, new door cards, new glove box liners, new absolutely everything, and I mean brand spanking new as well. Got the stainless steel covers, new door cards. There you go. So, as I said, everything on her is brand spanking new, including Ivor Searle engine, reconditioned, which has done no mileage at all. So it's a 0 miles engine, 0 miles gearbox, E-Pro transmissions, new clutch, new wiring loom, built on a Galv chassis, I think I've already mentioned. I'll start her up. So runs and starts lovely, absolutely brand spanking new. New windscreen, rubbers, new windscreen. Body off of a job. There you go. So we've got new exhaust, new carb, new alternator. It's got disc brakes on it. It's also got servo on it, so they're the nice upgrades that everybody likes. So I've got electronic ignition on it. Absolutely pristine, show quality in the engine bay, as is the rest of the truck, to be honest with you. As I say, it's the N word, and the N word to describe this build is new. So everything is new. It's got nice new engine, new gearbox, new tyres, new spare, new exhaust, new lights, new wiring loom, new interior, new paint, and here's a bit of a one-off. So you can have a look there at the back of the cab, no dents or anything, all good in there. And then here's a real one-off. I'm actually getting on the floor. Yeah. So you've got new petrol tank, and then if you can see the standard of the underneath of the car, as you can see, everything is new as well. So all new fixings, new bolts, Galv chassis, literally what you're buying is a Morris Minor pickup that you would have got out of a showroom in 1968. Probably better standard of finish, if I do say so myself. I'm not meaning to sound big-headed, it's just we put a lot of hours in. This particular build has taken us 2 years, maybe a little bit more. So you're leapfrogging the queue for a commercial build. And as I say, it's one of a kind because we won't be building like just off the cuff like this anymore. It'll be built to order. Porcelain Green, which I think is absolutely fantastic. Personally, I think it looks better than Persian Blue because every van or pickup you see is Persian Blue. If you want to be unique, ideal colour for you. The black interior that we chose for it stands out really nicely as well, and the wide wheel set it off. It's got disc brakes and servo. Literally, it's one of them. I don't even think this video is going to do justice how much work's gone into it and how nice a truck it is. Ideally, if you've got a company to promote, or even if you just want to use it to take to shows and whatnot, you are definitely walking away with a trophy wherever you go with this bad boy. I can guarantee it. So, as always, if you want to build, doing to order, travellers, saloons, commercials, obviously we do it. If you are wanting to buy this particular truck and it's on at 32,500, which is a steal because it's £65 an hour for us to build it, it'd be well over 40,000. Give us a call. And as I say, this is not a truck that somebody's selling off the drive. It's not a truck that's had a paint job. It's not, you know, it's not something that's for sale for 14, 15, 16,000 quid and like, oh, I can get them cheaper, I can do it cheaper, I'm better at this, I'm doing that. This is a brand spanking new truck. At £32,500, you are getting an absolute steal. So, as always, if you want some work doing on your Morris Minor, or you want to buy this truck, which I actually want to buy this truck, I love it, but as I always say, I can't have everything, so there you go. It is Yorkshire Minor Centre, 01422881221, give us a call about it, or you can email inquiries at westridingclassics.co.uk, or full details of this particular truck will be at www.westridingclassics.co.uk by the end of today. So be quick, because this is one of a kind. It's an absolute stunner and I love it, and I'm sure you will as well. Give us a bell, get in your car, come up to Halifax. The first person to come and actually look at this truck with a mind to buying it will be putting their hand in the pocket and buying it, I can guarantee it. Thanks a lot for your time, guys.